Included in your connector bag are all of these pieces. We start with the lead, of course, your plastic cover, your metal sleeve, your metal clamp, your silicone insert, and your rubber washer. Be careful to keep an eye out for the silicone insert. It's a small piece that's included, and we don't want you to lose it when opening the bag. All right, thanks for joining me here today. What we're going to focus on is attaching our DIY connector to our neon tape. This is our top bend neon tape, so it bends up and down and the light comes through the top. And the first thing you want to do is find out where you want to cut it. So we're going to go ahead and cut it at this cut point. These cut point indicators show you where the cut point is approximately, and what you want to cut on is this slightly darker region of tape. That's the exact cut point. I'm going to line up my multi-angle miter hand shears with that darker region and cut. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to insert our silicone insert. The silicone insert goes in this gap here. So we'll go ahead and we'll put this in here, which becomes part of the system that creates a great watertight seal for this. Remember, which is great for damp locations, wet locations, and all done without soldering. The next part we need to insert is our plastic cover. You'll notice that there's a flange here or a lip. You want to make sure that goes on first, and you also want these small little notches to align with these indents here in the tape. So these two little indents here are going to align with these two notches. So we'll go ahead and put that on like that. Next step, I'm going to put our tape over here. I'm going to bring in our lead. Our lead has a rubber washer which goes on. There's a small slit in the rubber washer which then goes over the two prongs like that. Next thing we do, we insert this into the neon product. Where you want to put this is between the acrylic insert and the tape light itself. So we'll go ahead and we'll put these in here, right in between the acrylic and the tape light. Once you've got the plug on, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to apply our metal clamp. So this is our metal clamp, and you want to make sure that you put this on such that this little detent is as far away this way as possible, or if you will, as the furthest away it can be from where the wire connects. So we go ahead and we just put this on the neon product, not that rubber washer, but just the neon itself. So that goes on like that. The next thing we're going to do is install our metal sleeve. This really holds the whole connection together and gives you that great fit. So that goes ahead and just snaps on like that, and you get a really nice connection. Last step, slide the plastic sleeve on, and you're done. What I'm going to do now is test this connection. We simply apply power, and it's going to light up. Great connection, solid connection, watertight connection. Thanks for joining me.